In our last video, we saw how we can use MVI instruction to load a 8-bit data into any of the general programmable registers. So in this video, we're going to see what is MOV instruction and how we can use it. So MOV instruction is basically going to be used to transfer data from one register to the other. So let's say we've loaded a data 01H into our register B using MVI. Now if we want to copy this particular value from register B to register A, then the syntax for MOV is going to be move destination register comma source register. So now if we want to move data from B to A, what we're going to do is do move A comma B, where A is the destination register and B is the source register. Suppose say we have a data F0H in register A, and then we want to copy the same value in register H, then the syntax is going to be move H comma A. Remember, whenever we move our data from one register to the other, the content of the original register still stays the same. Suppose if we have F0H in A, and then if we move the same to H, the value in A is not going to be lost. The value will still be in A, or the same value will still be in the register